I am Richard Du, your USC counselor for sports and wellness. I major in BS Physical Therapy in Canada. Since elementary, sobrang interested ko na sa sports. Like grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, I already started training in wushu. And nanalo po tayo sa competition, exhibition ng gold tsaka silver medal. Tapos nung high school, naging varsity player po tayo ng volleyball. Tapos this year lang sa UP Manila, nag-organize tayo ng wushu workshop kasi gusto natin gawing mas holistic, mas maging diverse yung sports na ino-offer ng UP. So nag-hold tayo ng wushu workshop. So kasi yung platform ko, I'm running for USC Sports Committee and Wellness. Sports and Wellness Committee. So ang song ni Whitney Houston na kumakatawan sa platform ko is Greatest Love of All. Kasi yung love is, di ba sabi sa lyrics, learning to love yourself is the greatest love of all. Kasi kapag minahal mo yung sarili mo, bibigyan mo siya ng importansya. Ito yung magiging basihan mo kung bakit ka mag-sports. Kasi nga, it will make you well. So, ayun.